Welcome back to a new trade recap. So today, my little friends, we are going to go over the trades that we have taken today on October 15th to Tuesday today. It is a nice day today. First of all, let's go over to Forex Factory. So we did have one orange Funa, but that came out at 6:30, so we were really not worried about it.
Alright, we're gonna start talking normally now because I can't do that anymore. Alright, so we had 6:30 news come out, so that really didn't affect us at all. Then we hopped on. We seen that price was bearish when market was coming open, so I was in turn looking for some type of short here. And then I scaled down to the 1 hour. I seen that there was this 1 hour bearish for value gap here, and to me this was a point of interest that I was looking for price. If it did want to go to the downside, look for price to come up to this area here. So I marked that out as a significant point of interest, and then from there I was just kind of waiting for market to open. But in the meantime, I had this 5-minute bullish for value gap here that I wanted to see get disrespected, because at this time I wanted to see price come up, respect this gap, and then come through and disrespect that gap. But I did found something a little bit earlier than that. But this was this was a good thing that we did disrespect, because if we didn't disrespect this bullish for value gap, then the idea would have been invalidated and we would have went higher. Anyways, so what made me enter this trade today? So you can see that I entered right here, 7:30 market open. Very early for me. I usually don't trade this early at all, but I found something that I liked, so I took it. So market opened. You can see that we came up, we filled in and validated this 1 minute bearish for value gap here because we closed under it here, so we in turn were respecting it. And then also on this candle we came up and we took out these highs. So we took out session highs, liquidity sweep, and then came down, respected this bearish for value gap. To me, that was pretty bearish, even though this candle still closed a bullish candle. It was bearish for me. So I entered off of that, right? So not really too much here. I mean, we could see that in high time frame we're in a discount here. So, you know, check mark 1, that's what we're looking for. Check mark 2, we had a liquidity sweep. Boom. Check mark 3, we respected some fair value gaps. Boom, enter, right? So from there I put take profit 1 at this 1 minute resting liquidity here under this 5-minute fair value gap. Second take profit here at the second resting liquidity. Third take profit here. Fourth take profit all the way down here. And you can see that price is just fucking running right now. Holy cow. But so I did hit my first 2 take profits here. Hit, boom, boom, same candle. You can see closed them out at the same time. And then I had my take profit here. You can see this is what this is, indicating that my stop loss was right here. So got stopped out on this candle just to break even. So, you know, just a nice little 1 to 1.42 it was today. So nothing, or well, technically 1 to 3.9. So, you know, pretty slight of a trade. I mean, if we would have not moved our take profit to break even, or stop loss to take even, we would have been well beyond a 1 to 3 today. But you know what? It's not about taking these huge trades. It's about being consistent, and that's really what I care about. You know, I could have 1-to-1s all day, 1-to-2s all day, but you know, if I'm winning 70% of the time, I'd rather have that than a crazy like 1-to-14. But that's just me personally. I think that's just like me psychologically. I think that I can handle a higher win rate rather than having a lower win rate but a super high risk reward. But that's just me, fellas. If you fellas enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday, October 16th.
For the trade recap.
Alright, fellas, take care.